Let's discuss PYQs of reproductive health. First question. Given below are four methods and their modes of action in achieving contraception. Select their correct matching from the four options that follow. Pill. Pill prevents ovulation, whereas condom prevents sperm reaching cervix. Vasectomy semen doesn't contain sperms. Copper T prevents implantation as well as fertilization. Remember that. So option is 3. Second question. Consider the statements given below regarding contraception and answer as directed thereafter. Medical termination of pregnancy MTP during first trimester is generally safe. Yes, it is absolutely correct. And it is legalized in 1971. Generally, chances of conception are nil until mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years. Not 2 years, it is 6 months. As NCRT written. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives, as it is absolutely correct. Contraceptive pills may be taken up to a 1 week after coitus to prevent conception. No, it is wrong. So, correct statements are A and C. Third question. In vitro fertilization is a technique that involves transfer. In vitro fertilization is a technique that involves transfer of which or not the following into the fallopian tube. Zygote only, embryo only up to 8-cell stage, either zygote or early embryo up to 8-cell stage, embryo of 32-cell stage. Correct option is either zygote or early embryo up to 8-cell stage. The permissible use of technique amniocentesis is for detecting any genetic abnormality. Yes, it is correct. Which one of the following is most widely accepted method of contraception in India as at present? Correct option is IUDs, intrauterine devices. Sixth question. Medical termination of pregnancy is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? As we know that it is safe up to first trimester, that is 12 weeks. 12 weeks is 3 months. Seventh question. After in vitro fertilization, embryo with more than 8 cells are implanted in the uterus. Yes, it is correct. Eighth question. The Test Tube Baby program employs which one of the following techniques? It is none other than zygote intrafallopian transfer. Question number 9. Which of the following is correct about human reproduction? Saheli is new contraceptive for males? No, it is for females. Amniocentesis is carried out to know the chromosomal pattern from the sample taken from the cells of umbilical cord. No, it is used to detect the genetic abnormality. Ovulation is facilitated by breastfeeding? No. A combination of progesterone and estrogen is injected or implanted under the skin as an effective contraceptive. As it is correct. Question number 10. Artificial insemination means introduction of sperms of a healthy donor directly into the ovary. No. Transfer of sperms of a healthy donor to a test tube containing ova. No. Transfer sperms of husband to a test tube containing ova? No. And the correct answer is option number 4. Artificial introduction of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina. One of the legal methods of birth control is by a premature ejaculation during coitus, abortion by taking an appropriate medicine, by abstaining from coitus from day 10 to day 17 of the menstrual cycle, by having coitus at the time of debut. Correct option is abortion by taking an appropriate medicine. Which of the following contraceptive makes uterus unsuitable for implantation? It is progesterone. 13th question. Pubectomy is a method of sterilization in which small part of fallopian tube is removed or tied up. As it is correct. Which of the following is a hormone releasing intrauterine device? They ask hormone releasing IUDs. Multilode 375, LNG 20, cervical caps or vaults. Correct answer is LNG 20. 15th question. Assisted reproductive technology IVF involves transfer of worm into the fallopian tube, zygote into the fallopian tube, zygote into the uterus, embryo with 16 blastomeres into the fallopian tube. Correct answer is zygote into the fallopian tube. 16th question. A childless couple can be assisted to have a child through a technique called GIFT. The full form of this technique. Easy question. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. 17th question. Which of the following approaches does not give the defined action of contraception? Barrier method prevent fertilization. As it is correct. Intrauterine devices increase phagocytosis of sperm, suppress sperm motility and fertilization capacity of the sperms. As it is correct. Hormonal contraceptives prevent retard entry of sperms, prevent ovulation and fertilization. Vasectomy prevents spermatogenesis. No. It prevents fertilization. So correct answer is vasectomy, fourth option. Same question repeated here. Which of the following is a hormone releasing IUD? It is LNG20. Which of the following is incorrect regarding vasectomy? Vasa deferens is cut and tied as it is irreversible sterility. No sperms occur in seminal fluid as no sperm occurs in epididymis. Yes. So incorrect is irreversible sterility. Sorry, no sperm occurs in epididymis is the incorrect. Vasectomy is a surgical method, so it is irreversible. So correct option is 4. Embryo with more than 16 blastomeres formed due to in vitro fertilization is transferred into the uterus. And 21st. Which of the following is not a method of birth control? Pubectomy, vasectomy, periodic abstinence of coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle, periodic abstinence of the coitus from the day 6 to 9th of menstrual cycle. Correct option is 4th. Estrogen is used to avoid pregnancy because it prevents fertilization, prevents ovulation and implantation, inhibits sperm motility, forms cervical plug, prevents ovulation and implantation. 23rd. In case of couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for the fertilization? Gamete intracytoplasmic fallopian tube transfer, artificial insemination, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, intrauterine transfer. It is artificial insemination. The function of copper ions in copper releasing IUDs is They suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperms. 26. Amniocentesis is done for, as the only suitable option is to check sex determination. It is the correct option here. But usually amniocentesis is used to diagnose the genetic disorders. Question number 26. The contraceptives highly blocks estrogen receptors in the uterus, preventing eggs from getting implanted. Yes, this is the correct option. This is not an NCERT line, but try to remember. Thank you.